নমস্কার সকল দর্শক বন্ধুদের আমি স্বাগত জানিয়ে লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত আজকে সংস্কৃতি কলকাতার তরফ থেকে এপিসোড নাম্বার 184 তসরের ওপর নানান রকম হ্যান্ড পেইন্টেড মধুবনী এবং তার সাথে সাথে মধুবনী দুপাট্টাও দেখাবো, যেটা আমাদের সব সময় খুব ডিমান্ড থাকে। সমস্ত হ্যান্ড পেইন্টেড এবং নানান রকমের ভার্নির ডিজাইন এবং তাছাড়া আরও ভরাটি ডিজাইনের ওপর আজকে দেখাবো। আমি দেখতে থাকুন, শুরু করি। 1 নম্বর শাড়ি পিওর তসর এবং তার সাথে সমস্ত হ্যান্ড পেইন্টেড ভার্নির কাজ 8800। ফার্স্ট অফ অল আমি বলতে চাই, ফার্স্ট অফ অল আই ওয়ান্ট টু টেল ইউ, see the painting done on it. This is absolutely nip painting. Everything is done in organic colors and this is original hand painted Madhubani in pure tussar. See the painting properly, very extensively, intricately done. Throughout there are multicolored that has been used in green, red, blue, and the outline will always be in black. So this is the whole sari. The pallu part, actually half the sari is throughout fully painted, and from the pleats, the upper part where we tuck, only that part is plain, otherwise it's a fully hand painted Madhubani in tussar. Full hand painting. The blouse piece is plain solid color with the back painting and the sleeves painting. This is the blouse piece. This is soft Chhattisgarh tussar, pure Chhattisgarh handloom, and the painting is fully hand painted, original. Just take the screenshot. The numbers all provided, all over hand painting are all 8800. If you want the border on the tassels to be attached, 300 rupees extra will be charged for that, but you have to give us 7 to 8 days extra time for that because it goes to the workshop and then the tasseling and details will be done. So the first few all over hand painting, see the painting of this one. Closely I am showing you the painting. More or less the colors will be all same except the design pattern will be different. So please give me options for booking. Gorgeous, stunning hand painting. You just need nothing with this. The painting speaks loads. It does the work of jewelry, it does the work of, your makeup. It's just all in the sari itself. All you need is to just wear make the blouse, and even if you don't wear any, just a bindi is enough. It's so gorgeous, so rich. These all over paintings are really an art by itself. So again, if you want a red or a green, whatever tassel or border to be attached or piping, just mention what you want. It will be charged extra, 300 only. This is the blouse piece, the back and the sleeves. Madhubani paintings are usually figures, living beings, animals, flowers. The pattern more or less are similar. Fish. This is the traditional Madhubani painting that is done, and this is what is more popular and much more in demand. So today's episode will be on the traditional hand painted Madhubani. Can you see the work? It's so much lovely butterflies, fish, beautiful painting. Even if you don't do any piping, it itself is very pretty. So much of painting, and only 8800, that also in tussar pure. Blouse piece. 8800 again. Circular motif in the pallu. I mean, today I don't need to do much talking. The sari itself will speak. And by now you know, these are all, like I told you, these are all bharni work. Filling bharni means bharat. This is the filling of each motif. And this is also freehand painting. This is beautiful. I mean, it's a gorgeous art in tussar. The pallu. Throughout work, blouse piece. This is in a bit of darker shade tussar, 8800, very sober, very elegant. Just these have come, I have not even opened it. I am thought of doing the video directly. I am opening it in front of you. It's a beautiful painting in a darker, those were lighter shade of tussar, natural color. This is slightly darker tone. This is a beige color, that is off-white color. All over same, all over same. Here comes the pallu. The pallu will be different. Can you see the leaf? How neat and finishing. The neatness of the painting, which is very important. I always give for stress on the finish, the overall neatness of a total product. That is very important. It should have a very neat finish. You may give the best of quality, you may give the best of embroidery, but if it's not the work complete, overall get up should be very neat. There was always marks for neatness in our exams, remember? So keeping that in mind. And here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. 8800, product number 5. Product number 6. And these are not ghicha tussar, these are all tussar. Geometric pattern, very pretty, gorgeous sari. In fact, in my first Madhubani episode, I had worn something like this. It's a beautiful work. Pallu. So today you will get lot of options because I'll show you many bharni work. Today basically I'll show you mostly bharni work because last time I showed you more of dyed work. Then the bharnis were not much ready and bharni is always in demand all over bharni. See, there's no gap throughout painting done till the end, and then see till the end the work is done, and then comes the blouse piece. Seven 8800. Circular design in the pallu, I'm showing you confidently the close-up because I know in front of me how well the work has been done. We have 2 branches in Kolkata. We are a 26-year-old design house in Baliganj, Kolkata. It was just as a hobby that I had started designing our friends, my friends' clothes in school, and then it became a hobby and then a profession, and now more it's a responsibility. And I love my work. I've never ever felt bored in my 26 years in this profession. So this is a sari, and there's always, whenever there's something new that we are creating, new stock, it feels like just a newborn child. So this is very, very close to my heart. With blouse piece. First come, first serve basis. Once you make the payment, I confirm you the availability, send the screenshot giving me options in any one of the number. Once the payment is done, you will be getting GST invoice of all products along with the parcel. And once the payment is done, please send me your name, address, phone number and shipping address. PIN code is very important, your full PIN code. Even if for international shipment, the zip code is important. The product will be shipped in 2 to 3 working days. Shipping charges are applicable. Nothing comes free. We have not included the shipping charges in the product. Shipping is charges are applicable. Even for cash on delivery, charges are applicable. We do cash on delivery only in Kolkata because the delivery man who goes and comes back charges a bit more than the courier charges. So if you can pay in the bank, or you can do Paytm, you can do GPay to the bank. So all options are there. Tussar all over Bharni work. But if it's by courier, it's cheaper than the cash on delivery. But whatever, everything is, we are flexible to whatever you want. But cash on delivery only in Kolkata. Sundays we are closed. Monday to Saturday we are open every day from 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. at night. We have 2 branches, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Both are in Baliganj. There's car park in front, and you can of course visit for more options. But to get this particular product, you need to pre-book because these are all hand painted product at single piece. More variety, more colors, more concept will be available, but exactly this piece, if you come with the number after 1 month or 3 days, because usually it gets booked within few hours, so it's better first come first serve basis. So this is another very bright color combination in Madhubani, Tussar Madhubani. Blouse piece. Nice, na? This is very pretty one. New color combination, number 9. Same price, 8800. I'm showing all over Bharni work in hand painted Madhubani. See the color combination. Durga ji in the pallu, very pretty. Very pretty work, very artistic. The border, check out the border. Both the borders will have figure motifs. It's a very nice color combination. Here in this one, a border tassel will look really nice in black maybe or a red. Black will also look very elegant. It's a very nice, good looking sari. The achol part of it. See, till the end painting is done, and here comes the blouse piece. अगर आपको पसंद आ रहे हैं हमारा प्रोग्राम, संस्कृति कोलकाता का प्रोडक्ट्स आपको पसंद आ रहे हैं, आप प्लीज इसको चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, इसको लाइक शेयर करें, तो फिर और व्यूअर्स के पास ये जाएगा. It will reach to more customers, more viewers, more sari lovers. See, this was I was talking about, you know, this patti and tassel. This is the patti that is done. This is the tassel that will be done. If in case you want 300 rupees only extra, just whatever the karigar charges from me, I will be charging from you. This is the achol part. Figures all over bharni. And here is the blouse piece. Even the mannequin, now check out the mannequin sari, it's really gorgeous. 8800 again. Now here you can understand the work that is done. This all over painting is done. This is the center panel part. Beautiful sari, beautiful, with the border of course. Sari blouse piece will have the border. So all those that I was showing you till now are similar type all over work, just to show you how the full get-up comes. I always try to drape a mannequin for you to understand. I always understand that you are buying online, you are not seeing the fabric itself from the front, you cannot see how it will look. So I try to set up a sample and I just an idea for you to understand how the paint will be coming, how it will look on draping. So this is another beautiful combination and a bright bharni tussar hand painted Madhubani. Now coming to another product. Now this is not bharni, this is nip, fully painted, done nip painting, 8800. This is another very intricate art from Mithila. Black and red आंचल, सारा प्योर टसर में है और इसमें पूरा हैंड पेंटिंग किया हुआ है. निप से ये पेंटिंग किया हुआ है विथ ऑर्गेनिक कलर्स और इसमें बॉर्डर पाइपिंग भी दिया हुआ है टैसल के साथ. 8800. सबका प्राइस आपका स्क्रीनशॉट में जा रहा है, वही फाइनल प्राइस है. कलर ये सब प्योर टसर का नेचुरल वर्जिन कलर है और ये सब ड्राई क्लीन करना होगा क्योंकि ये सब हैंड पेंटिंग ऑर्गेनिक कलर से है. ये ड्राई क्लीन और समटाइम्स पॉलिश कीजिए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. कलर सब फास्ट है. ये इसका ब्लाउज पीस का बैक साइड है और इसका ये दो स्लीव्स है. ब्लाउज का ये दो स्लीव्स आएगा. तो आप ये ब्लाउज यही कपड़ा से बनाइए, ये अच्छा लगेगा आपको. और ब्राइट चाहिए तो आप इसमें ब्लैक या रेड ब्लाउज पीस यूज करके बॉर्डर यूज कर सकते हैं, लेकिन इसमें भी एक अलग एलिगेंस है ये साड़ी का ब्लाउज के साथ. देखिए इसमें पूरा भरनी का, इसमें पूरा निप पेंटिंग का काम किया हुआ है. पहले जो इतना तक हम दिखा रहे थे वो सारा भरनी का काम था. अब जो हम दिखा रहे हैं ये वाला पूरा निप का काम है. निप का पूरा पेंटिंग है. सारा आउटलाइन ब्लैक में किया हुआ है और इसके बीच में ब्लैक और रेड में ये पूरा लाइन देकर पूरा एक एक मोटिव को फिलिंग किया हुआ है. सारा पेंटेड है एवं सारा हैंड का पेंटिंग है, कोई प्रिंटिंग का काम नहीं है, सब हैंड का मोटिव पेंटिंग है। और ये देखिए ये सब फिगर और बर्ड्स, फिगर्स, लीव्स, इस टाइप का सब मोटिव्स देकर ये पूरा पेंटिंग साड़ी में किया हुआ है। ये इटसेल्फ ही एक टाइप का बहुत अनकॉमन यूनिक आर्ट है जो बहुत साल से हो जा रहा है, और हम लोग ये आपको दिखा रहे हैं कि ये आपको अच्छा लगे, आपको ये बहुत पसंद है। 8800। इसमें देखिए रेड नहीं है, इसमें हम ऑरेंज यूज किया हुआ है, ऑरेंज के साथ ब्लैक कलर कॉम्बिनेशन, बहुत सोबर कॉम्बिनेशन है। ये वो पहले जो हम दिखा रहा था बहुत ब्राइट है, ये थोड़ा सोबर एलिगेंट टेस्ट का है। इसका लुक भी एक अलग टाइप का आता है, इसमें भी और एक बहुत अलग टाइप का लुक आता है। ओवरऑल लुक पहनने के बाद ये भी दिन में रात में बहुत अच्छा लगता है, और ये देख रहे हैं पूरा टोटली न्यू लुक, टोटली डिफरेंट लुक आता है इसमें। ये इसका ब्लाउज पीस है बैक साइड, और इसका दोनों स्लीव्स का ये क्या हुआ है। इसके साथ ब्लैक ब्लाउज भी बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। अच्छा, हम एक बार क्लोजली आपको दिखाना चाहते हैं इसका पेंटिंग। क्लोजली देखिए कैसा एक एक लीव्स और एक एक पेटल्स कितना अच्छी तरह इसको पूरा फिल किया है लाइंस के ऊपर। दूसरा साड़ी में जाते हैं, वो भी यही कलर कॉम्बिनेशन का है, लेकिन ये रेड के साथ है, यही कॉन्सेप्ट का है। दिस इज ऑल्सो इन टोटली निप पेंटिंग कॉन्सेप्ट, डिफरेंट कलर कॉम्बिनेशन अगेन। You can check out our Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, where hand painted Madhubani album, these will be uploaded. First come, first serve basis. Once I confirm you the booking, it will be couriered to you within 2 to 3 working days. Facebook page, if you like, you can get regular uploads, regular notifications, more collections, more options to select from other than YouTube. Also, there's the Insta page where we put up our next episode details and all. Even the WhatsApp status, regular whatever products are available, the comments, the reviews, Sanskriti Srimoti pictures, we keep uploading so that you can have a look, you can check out our reviews, the customer feedback, which is very important to us once they receive the product. So those are uploaded. So check out our status, the Facebook page, and of course the YouTube episodes are there for you. Number 14, 8,800, again coming to Bharni. Just took a break from Bharni and showed you the nib ones, and now coming to nib outline and Bharni work. We have the tailoring department in both the branches. If you want the blouses to be stitched, then we can do it and then courier it to you. You can come and give your measurements, or we have the pattern if you want to do it online. That can also be arranged. Till the end work. See, the painting comes till from pallu till the end. So much of work, and then comes the blouse piece. Separate blouse piece. This is the blouse piece border. The blouse piece is kept in natural color, only the border is painted. I'll show you the pallu since I missed out. See what a lovely pallu, wow, in checkered concept, because the center panel has a center border. See, it has a nice check painting in it. So matching with that, with temple panels, lovely, lovely painting. These are the running colors that usually look nice on wearing, and except the design keeps changing. See, this is another rich paint. Actually, it's very difficult to select. These are all so intricate, so well done with very good finish. Many of you were waiting for Madhubani, so those who wanted Madhubani for last few months after the previous, the last episode that I did, so you can select from here. I am giving you many options of Bharni this time. See the painting. Blouse piece. Achol. So I'll show you the sari along with the pallu. Yeah. Now I'll come to dupattas. So this is product number 16. Ghicha Tussar hand painted Madhubani dupatta. Product number 16, 2150. 2150. Just take the screenshot. 2150 is product number 16. Product number 17, 2150. Border, piping tassel. You know, you can wear this with denims also. Denim and a black top, and just wrap it around as a stole. It looks really, really nice. Very smart. Ideal for gifting. And you know, it is itself, you can use it as a runner also. You know, I sometimes I have a very nice hand painted this. I use it as a runner, a center table runner, a dining table runner before, you know, it looks really nice. Just you have to put if you can put a lining at the back, and then you can really, it can be used as a wall hanging. Very pretty ones. Number 18, all 2150. This is in two colors, red and black. Madhubani hand painted, pure Ghicha Tussar hand painted Madhubani dupattas with piping tassel, 2150. Very pretty one. The width is 22 inches, 20 to 23 inches. Uh, 2000. These are 2000 because the piping tassel is not done. These are 2000 rupees. If you want, I can add the piping tassel. Then again, as I said, you have to give me time. Very pretty. This is very beautiful. I think this is 36 inches. We just ask somebody to get a tape. So I think I just confused with my Katha stores. So this is see, this is 34 inches width. The width is not 22 inches, this is 34 inches width. And full length, the length is full. So this is standard length dupatta and standard width. Beautiful piece. Wow, very pretty. 2000 only. Center design, and then both sides will have the pallu painting. See, without piping all 2000, with piping tassel 2150 rupees. Just take the screenshot. All multicolored hand paintings done. Both sides will have the pallu painting. 2150. This has all over butta, so no center butta. This is all over butta. $25 and $26, 2000. This is the other part of the dupatta. And the Jamewar kurta that the mannequin is wearing. This Jamewar kurtas, we have black and maroon. This is woven Jamewar kurta. We can tailor it according to sizes. It goes with a lot of Katha dupattas and Banarasi dupattas, this kind of Madhubani dupattas. Black and this thing. We have men's kurta in this fabric also, looks really nice. This is 3000. This is I think 2500. This is 2500 rupees is for the kurta, Jamewar woven kurta, and the dupatta is 2000 rupees. Now coming to saris again. This is 8800. Bharni work. But the color is, what color would I say? It's a lemonish color. All over painting. 8800. When I show you the blouse, you can understand the color. It's a very sober color, light color, but a very sober color. This is the actual color of the sari. It's a lemonish tone with again all over hand painting done. This is the blouse piece. The blouse piece. This is 7,900, 7900. Dyed tussar. Chhattisgarh, these are pure tussar, but what happens, Chhattisgarh tussar, they do a very wax polish. That's why there's a shine in the sari, but these are tussar, pure tussar. They have this kind of doing a bit of wax polish in the body, that's why the shine is coming. The body part, the border part is natural matte look. So this is the border. Achol, big broad hand painted pallu, multicolors with bharni and nip painting combined in jet black. With blouse piece. It's very fashionable. Running blouse piece with the border. Durga Ji painting in the pallu. I'll show you the available colors in this. Even I am wearing something similar. Red. These are freehand painting by nib. So one or two spot here and there, it's see little bit. These are not printing, these are painting. So it's a freehand brush that the painter has drawn. So obviously this is very natural effect. So these are not effects. So keep this in mind. These are all hand painted products. So there will be, see, there are two little spots of red in between the orange. So this is very, very negligible. Pallu, big pallu, all painted big pallu, skirt border, broad border in one side, and see what a beautiful sleek upper border. These two have another charm, you know, with this painted pallu, border pallu concept. The blouse piece, this is the blouse piece. Red. Wine. All rich colors. Very rich color and beautiful painting done. in tussar, and minimum range only 7,900 rupees for this hand painted, handmade sari in pure tussar. Very pretty, isn't it? Now the one that I am wearing, another painting 7990. Achol. This is a golden yellow color that I am showing, 7990. Beautiful piece. Such gorgeous, lovely painting, very bright, pretty skirt border. Those who don't want all over work, they want colors in it, solid color, border pallu concept. This is very pretty one. With achol painted, of course, that I showed you, and here comes the blouse piece with it. The one that I am wearing, 7990. This is a bit of neon yellow. I would say it's a lemonish yellow, but it has a very nice tone in it. And the border also, skirt border. It just looks as if it's, you know, it's applique, it's so beautifully painted. Achol. $1350 is the ring that I am wearing. 1350. These can be adjusted. These are statement rings with chunky stones, Afghani rings. It goes with western, and you know, don't just wear a black shirt, denims, and wear this kind of a statement ring. It's very much in fashion now. 1350. The neck piece, the Afghani neck piece that I am wearing, 1850. Oh, it has, yes, it has a very nice, only 1850. Premium quality Afghani neck piece, 1850 with the earring. I love Afghani jewelry, and this kind of multicolored painted sari with this stunning stone setting of the neck piece. It's really very fashionable. So 1850 is the earring set, and this is another very handmade, very stylish bangles that I am wearing. This is filled with resham silk thread with polki stone setting in this pair. 550 rupees only. 550 is the pair. So I have this yellow which is going with this. It will go with a lot of your saris also. 550 is for the pair of bangles. 1350 is for the earring, and the neck piece with the earring set that I showed you is 1850. You like me? The full get-up, is it looking nice on me? Please do leave a comment if you like my get-up. The whole look of the Madhubani painted, hand-painted sari. And the sari is 7,990 rupees, similar to the ones that I was showing you. If you like what I'm wearing, please do like, share and subscribe, leave a comment. And of course, I'm open to more advices, more style tips. Another very beautiful tussar painted Durga ji, painted all over Madhubani. Beautiful piece. With blouse piece. And the last one. So you see, today I showed you 33 pieces with dupatta, and I'm sure many of you who are waiting for this episode for Bharani work will love the episode today. You can have more choices. You can give me options. I'm sure I'll not get scoldings this time because I've showed you many hand painted ones. This is the pallu. Wow, what a beautiful painting this is, especially because of the leaves that is done in just blue and green in between the red and orange. Wow work, very artistic. And the blouse piece. So that's it for today, folks. Thank you so much. Namaskar.